Hey, I'm Johnny. You might be asking yourself, what is Vietnamese coffee? Sir Alberic's Vietnamese coffee is the perfect combination of their Saigon City blend and organic condensed milk. It is strong and sweet. I like to kick things up just a little bit. What you're going to need is a cup of ice, spiced rum because it goes so well with the milk chocolate and cinnamon, Vietnamese coffee, whipped cream, milk chocolate. You're going to use a shaver and just simply shave. Keep in mind, it does shave best at room temperature. And cinnamon. If you can, grind your cinnamon straight from the sticks because the aroma and the flavor will be so much more intense. And top it off with your cinnamon stick. And there you have it, the perfect cocktail for the holidays. Cinnamon spice and everything nice. Cheers.